Hey guys, what's up? Mike here with 303 Mobile Welding, and today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about a safety thing that I'm seeing on the job sites that you guys don't have, and it's this guy right here. Okay, it's a flashback arrestor. I know a lot of guys don't like running them because of gas flow problems, whatever. The reality of it is good brand. No, these are Westerns. So, but Westerns, Victors, really, even Smiths, they all have good flow if you keep them, if they're brand new and you put them on and you leave them on and you have, basically what I run is a quicker, a little quick cord that comes down here to a quick disconnect that goes into the reels here. That's how I run my reel setup. But let me tell you something. If you don't have those flashback arrestors, you're gonna get dinged on OSHA required job sites, okay? And the reason being is those right there can save your truck from blowing up, okay? Also too, if you carry bottles on your truck and you carry rig insurance, you're required to have these, okay? This is a safety thing, and if you ever get a flashback and it comes back into the hose or whatever, yes, there is flashback arrestors and a lot of the Victor torches and stuff like that. Guys are like, oh, that's what'll stop it. It's not a big deal. If you have a leak anywhere on that hose, let me tell you something. It's going to blow up, okay? It will get into the hose, whatever. If you're welding in something that maybe you've got a gas line leak that's a little bit past your quick connects that go into your torch and you're down in a ditch, the gas is going to fill up in there, and I've seen guys get blown out of the hole from that, okay? It is a very real thing, so you need to keep flash arrestors on your tanks. I understand it doesn't look nice, whatever. It's, it's something that sticks out. It's a big freaking deal. People, complain all the time, whatever it is. The other thing that you need is a fire extinguisher. Okay. You got to have a fire extinguisher on your rig at all times. Because it can save your life. So that being said, guys, remember, keep the flash arrestors on. If you're having gas flow problems or whatever, odds are it's because you have a leak somewhere else. That's why the gas isn't getting to where you want it to go, which is at your torch head. So keep the flash arrestors on, keep safe, guys, and be blessed. See ya.